Today, we're going to build WALL-E using 4 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I found this model on Pinterest and I really like the beginning ideas of it, but I kind of made a small modification. And what you do is you start out with one of these minifigure roller skate pieces, and on top of that minifigure roller skate piece, you get a 1x1 plate and just put it right there where the minifigure's foot would go to start creating the body of WALL-E. Now, in Pinterest, they immediately put on this binocular piece and they were done. That was their micro WALL-E. But to me, the binocular piece is just so big that this yellow part just didn't look right to me. It looked too small and compact. And yes, he is a rolling trash compactor, but you know, WALL-E himself is not then compacted. So I got another 1x1 plate and put it right there to just make it a little more boxy to where WALL-E puts in his stuff. And the reason you want this kind of curved part of the roller skate in front is because it helps give that, you know, that open door effect that WALL-E has, that he can open up his chest to put things in. And then now I'm going to put that binocular piece on to create my micro WALL-E. And you know, you can do whichever design you like best. You know, that's the great thing about Legos. We kind of build what we want to build with the pieces we have. But there is a micro WALL-E. WALL-E.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.